Welcome to the quiz, your map.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss some problems under negative and fractional indices. So let us start. Given that y is equal to 1 by 16 x power 2, express each of the following in the form of k x power n, where k and n are constant. This k and n are constants. So you have to express this in the form of k x power n. So in my previous video, we have learned the negative and fractional indices and some problems. Now we are going to solve some different problems. Okay, so this is given and you have to find the value of this, and that should be in the form kx power n. Okay, so let us start. A problem, y power 1 by 2. So what is y? So let's start solving. Solution. So what is y? Y power 1 by 2 can be written as, what is y? 1 by 16 x power 2 the whole power 1 by 2. So in the place of y, I have substituted this value. I have written. So you have to make it to the form kx power n. Okay. So this power is common for both these terms. So I am giving this separately. 1 by 2, 1 by 16 the whole power 1 by 2. So 1 by 16 the whole power 1 by 2 and x power 2 the whole power 1 by 2. And now 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by root 16. Let me write the rough here. So 1 by 16 the whole power 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 1 by 2, 1 power 1 by 2 and 16 power 1 by 2. Okay. So this can be written as, because we are giving this power separately to numerator and denominator, and so this you will be getting root 1 and this can be written as square root of 16. Okay, so root 1 is nothing but 1 and 1 by root 16. So 1 by 16 the whole power 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 16. Okay, so this I have written it as 1 by root 16. And now x power 2 into 1 by 2, and here I have used the rule x power m the whole power n can be written as x power m into n. Okay, and here I have used the rule, this rule. And now what is the answer? Let us see. So root 16 can be written as 4 and x 2 into 1 by 2 is power 1. That is nothing but 1 by 4 into x. So 1 by 4x is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 1 by 4x is of the form kx power n. So here k is equal to 1 by 4 and x value and n is equal to 1 here. Okay, now we have written in the form kx power n. Let me repeat this. Y, I am substituting the y value here and I am giving the power separately to each value, and I am getting the answer 1 by square root of 16, and this calculation I have written here. I have written here this calculation, and this x power 2 the whole power 1 by 2, I have applied this formula and have written x power 2 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but x power 1. So root 16 can be written as 4, that is 1 by 4x is the required answer. Now let us start doing the B problem. Let us start doing the B problem. So before that, let us recall the question once again. So for this, y is equal to 1 by 16 x square. You have to find 4y power minus 1 and it should be in the form kx power n. Okay, let us do the B problem now. So the B problem is 4y power minus 1. So what is the y value? Y is equal to 1 by 16 x power 2. So therefore 4y power minus 1 can be written as 4 into 1 by 16 x power 2 the whole power minus 1. So 4 I am writing as such. This minus 1, this power minus 1 is common to both 1 by 16 and x square. So I am writing 1 by 16 the whole power minus 1 and x square the whole power minus 1. Same like the previous problem, I am giving this power separately to each term inside the bracket. So now 4 into, you can directly use the calculator. 16, 1 by 16 the whole power minus 1 can be written as 16. This you can directly use the calculator and can solve, or else 1 by 16, or else I will tell you another way. We can apply the reciprocal rule. So if it is power minus 1, you can write like this: 1, this whole term will come to the denominator as per the negative indices law. So 1 by, so here this 1 by 1 divided by 16 can be written as, the same thing can be written as 1 divided by 1 by 16. So this I have written it as 1 divided by 1 by 16. So if I apply the reciprocal rule, this division changes to multiplication, and 16 which is in the denominator will go to the numerator, and the numerator term will come to the denominator. So 16 by 1, that is nothing but 16. So 1 by 16 the whole power minus 1 by is equal to 16. So 1 by 16 the whole power minus 1 is equal to 16. You can apply this reciprocal rule and can solve, or else you can use the calculator. Use calculator and find the answer directly. Use calculator and find the answer directly. 1 by 16 the whole power minus 1 is equal to 16. So I am writing the answer here, 16. Then 2 into minus 1, x power 2 into minus 1. So a power m the whole power n can be written as a power m into n. Okay. So I am applying this formula and writing this. So 4 into 16 x power 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay. So 4 into 16 is 64. Then write this x power minus 2 as such. Now it is of the form k x power n. This is the thing given in the question. So k is 64 and x you have written the same thing, and n is minus 2. So this is the required answer. So your answer is in the form kx power n, where k is 64 and n is minus 2. So this is the required answer. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.